Your email marketing platform provides you with a variety of templates for whatever content you decide to send out. A typical email marketing update for your subscribers is the newsletter. Brafton defines it as a tool used by businesses and organizations to share relevant and valuable information with their network of customers, prospects, and subscribers. Newsletters give you direct access to your audience's inbox, allowing you to share engaging content, promote sales, and drive traffic to your website. Newsletters will give your subscribers an impression of your brand and the products or services that you offer. But regardless of when someone begins subscribing to your newsletter, they will receive the same content real time depending on when they are sent. For instance, if you have a weekly newsletter, the newsletter an old subscriber receives on the first week of the month will no longer be received by a new subscriber who just subscribed on the second week of the month. Although it's not necessarily the case, it would feel like new subscribers are missing out on something that you shared in the past. However, this doesn't mean that newsletters are ineffective and that you shouldn't even bother with them. Newsletters are essential in building or maintaining a business's good impression. The point here is that apart from newsletters, you should also consider providing a more personal feel for your subscribers, and autoresponders do just that. Sendinblue defines an autoresponder as a tool that sends an automatic email in response to a predefined trigger event. When you get a new subscriber, it's just appropriate to send your prospect a warm welcome. When subscribers celebrate their birthdays, a short greeting and a little promotion on the side, such as discounts, will be highly appreciated. These are examples of an autoresponder. Warm and personal, autoresponders, although automated, don't feel that much robotic compared to an email blast. Moreover, FeedBlitz states that autoresponders send a predetermined sequence of emails to subscribers, and the mail that's sent depends on when the subscriber joins the autoresponders list. So different subscribers receive different messages on any given day. FeedBlitz further provided an example where a business offers a 3-part email course to new subscribers. If a subscriber begins the series of emails on a Monday, the last email will be on Wednesday, whereas a subscriber who begins on Tuesday will receive the last part on Thursday. In terms of when and how often subscribers receive them, newsletters are regularly received depending on when your business sends them. Your subscribers will continue to receive them until they unsubscribe or when the email bounces. On the other hand, autoresponders are received occasionally and as a part of a series of emails. They are received in a fixed sequence and schedule. FeedBlitz states that once a subscriber has run through the autoresponder sequence of messages, they don't get any more emails from the responder, even if they don't unsubscribe, and if their email is still good. When someone opts into your email list, that's their very first transaction with your business, Emil Christensen of Sleeknote says. He also stressed that this stage matters as much as a sale. As cliché as it may sound, first impressions last. In business, creating the first impression is a make or break phase. Although not always the case, customers don't have the time to take a second glance at what your business has to offer if they aren't immediately impressed. And all you can do then is watch the prospect walk away and search for better options. Of course, you don't want that to happen. Thus, once you get a new subscriber, it is only fitting to give them a warm and impressive welcome. However, introducing yourself to someone you're interested in can be exciting and terrifying at the same time. You get butterflies in your stomach and you have all sorts of things you want to say in your head. But saying all of that at once can be very bombarding for the other person. Also, there's a huge tendency for you to mumble jumble, and that's rather embarrassing. So it's important for you to know exactly what to say during your introduction and save some more information about yourself later during a possible date. Yep, you don't have to say everything at once. That's a lot of information to process. It would be best for you to break the information into small pieces and send them through a series of emails. In fact, ActiveCampaign suggests sending 4 to 6 emails for the series called The welcome email series or sequence, which is also known as indoctrination or onboarding sequence. As its other name suggests, it doesn't only teach your new subscribers about what your business is, it also aims to welcome and place them safely aboard. Christensen of Sleeknote further provided some of the things that you may want to include in your welcome emails. These, of course, include your words of gratitude such as a simple thank you and your words of welcome. This is also the time for you to say something about your brand story, what your subscribers can expect, and to make it a little more interactive, provide small calls to action that are doable and only a click away. You can also make your series more riveting if you include teasers for the next content. So if you'd like to know more about calls to action, just stay aboard, and we'll get you to that in this training a bit later.